Hey, if you want to add photo to contact on your Realme C67, first of all, you will have to open contacts. From here, pick the contact to adjust, for example, this one, and we'll have to click on this edit button. So from here, we can add picture, and you can store your device photos, your Google photos, or for example, the illustrations. So let's say that I want to add something from my device photos and I'm gonna open the gallery. I have to accept all of these permissions, but if I don't have any photos, I can just take one like this, and now it will be actually in this place. So I can select this one. Now as you can see, it appears in the gallery. We can also pick something from the screenshots wherever you want, and then you can also resize this photo. Also, we can use pinch gesture to zoom in or zoom out. And let's say that I want to get this one, click choose, and as you can see now it looks like this, and we have to click save to confirm. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.